In the quote, "Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier," Mother Teresa, a symbol of compassion and service, encapsulates a profound message about the transformative power of love and kindness. Let's explore the wisdom behind these words and understand how they can shape our interactions with others and our own happiness. At its core, this quote emphasizes the importance of extending love and kindness to all those we encounter. It calls us to be a source of positivity, warmth, and happiness in the lives of others. By spreading love, we have the ability to brighten someone's day, uplift their spirits, and make a lasting impact. Mother Teresa's words remind us that our interactions with others have the power to shape their experiences and emotions. Each person we encounter carries their own burdens, struggles, and sorrows. Through acts of love and kindness, we can provide solace, comfort, and support. We can be a beacon of hope in a world that sometimes feels devoid of compassion. Moreover, the quote encourages us to be mindful of our impact on others. It urges us to create an environment where individuals feel valued, respected, and cared for. When we treat others with love and kindness, we foster a sense of connection and belonging. We create a space where people feel safe to express themselves, share their joys and sorrows, and find solace in human connection. Importantly, this wisdom also acknowledges that spreading love not only benefits others but also brings us joy and fulfillment. When we act with love, we tap into our own capacity for empathy, understanding, and compassion. We experience the joy of making a positive difference in someone's life, no matter how small. By being the source of someone's happiness, we, too, find happiness within ourselves. Practicing this philosophy is not limited to grand gestures or extravagant acts. It can be as simple as offering a smile, lending a listening ear, or performing random acts of kindness. It's about being fully present, genuinely caring, and making a conscious effort to touch lives in meaningful ways. In a world often marked by division, conflicts, and hardships, spreading love becomes an antidote. It has the power to break down barriers, heal wounds, and foster understanding. It cultivates a sense of unity and reminds us of our shared humanity. Mother Teresa's quote serves as a timeless reminder to infuse our daily lives with love, kindness, and compassion. It urges us to be intentional in our interactions, treating each person we encounter with dignity and respect. By embracing this wisdom, we can contribute to a ripple effect of positivity and create a world where everyone leaves a little happier, simply because they encountered our love and warmth. So, let us embark on a journey of spreading love wherever we go. Let us be the source of light, joy, and happiness for others. And in doing so, may we also find our own hearts filled with love,